Hi, remarketing can truly be a magic marketing bullet, and in this short video I'm going to explain to you exactly how it works and how to use it. Basically, remarketing is following your customers, your audience, your prospects, both on social media as well as on the internet. So for example, I'm sure you've been to a retailer, maybe Zappos or some other store online, Walmart, Home Depot, and then all of a sudden you start seeing their ads popping up wherever you go. You're on ESPN or CNN or you're on Facebook and you start seeing their ads. Or on Facebook, let's say you look at an ad once and then you start seeing that ad and other ads by the company over and over again. So how do you make that happen? Because this is super highly effective because you're presenting ads to people that have expressed an interest. And you can use this in one of two ways. The first way is to promote yourself, obviously, as an agent looking for buyers and looking for sellers. So you want to have a few small image ads created for yourself. The second way is to use it to promote your listings. And there are two tools that you want to use. The first one is AdWorks, AdWorks, which is a marketing platform that we provide to our agents, but you can also sign up for it yourself, that allows you to follow people around on the internet and present ads. And you can upload a list of email addresses and so forth. And the second one, which is much easier to use and doesn't cost you anything upfront other than the cost of running the ads, are Facebook custom audiences. So you can upload email addresses and phone numbers to create a custom audience. And so how would you use that? For example, if you have a CRM, you have a website, KV Core, Commissions Inc., Boomtown, whatever, and you've been in business for a while, you might have 500 or 1,000 prospects of potential buyers that you can upload into a Facebook custom audience and then present content to. On the listing side, if you are working with tools such Offers, for example, that are using big data to provide you with lists of sellers that are most likely to make a move, you can use that list and upload it as a Facebook custom audience. And if you want to get really fancy, when you use a tool like AdWorks Enterprise and KV Core, then you can actually set it up so that anytime somebody comes to your website, they will automatically be shown your ads that you create with AdWords and then distribute them. So remarketing is a very, very powerful tool. It's a little bit more complex to set up if you do it on your own. Again, I would start with Facebook custom audiences. And we've had very, very good success creating housing ads. As you know, on Facebook, when you run an ad, you have to select the special category of housing ads as a real estate agent. And combining that with custom audiences can be very, very, very powerful. Take a look at it, Google remarketing, and feel free to drop me a message if you want some more information. My name is Heimann with Realty Partners, and I hope you found this helpful.